Hey, there it is. So we're going on a dirt road. Yes.
Yay, and it is a dirt road.
Yes, it is. But this is where we're going to be staying tonight. Looks like they're working on it. So, yay.
Very cool.
Yes. Woohoo.
This is so cool. There's our humble abode for the night. Oh, there's like a swing underneath.
Oh, cool.
Look at that. And there's a fire pit there.
Fire pit. We're going to use that fire pit to make s'mores, I think.
Yay!
Woohoo.
Oh, this is so cool.
Yay.
This is so cool.
Yay.
Yay. I'm
Yay.
excited. Wow. Treehouse. It's like a cabin in the air. Come on, let's go upstairs. Yay! They even have the Christmas lights here.
Here are the Christmas lights she's referring to.
Awesome. Look at this. Look at this. And there's like an open field here. And there's 2 rockers that are facing west, so you can relax and meditate. And I'll probably do some writing, or you can rest your eyes, whatever you want to do. Yay! And then it looks like there's a screened area that leads right inside. So let's go. Oh, it wraps around here, and you can see the big tree there. So this is how high up we are right now.
Wow.
Cool. And there's another tree here.
A tree's growing right through the floor planks there.
Yay, look at that. Oh, it's sleeping. Oh, and then you can, looks like we can just hang out back here. But then you can see kind of the back area here. You can see the other treesorts that are here on the property.
Yeah, there's one over there. Very impressive. I like this woodland area here.
I like the little trails and almost like a little amphitheater back here. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah.
It's like a balcony if you need some space from your person. Let's go on in. There's a code they're going to give you, so.
We're not going to play the code right now.
No. Look at this! This is so great! Oh my gosh. So there's a place to hang your jackets and whatnot right here. And some vintage magazine covers here. Its own little alcove right here. And a queen-size bed here, it looks like. And there are extra pillows and an extra blanket if you get cold. And here's the bathroom. This is a great sized bathroom. Check this out. Look at this. You have a shower, nice clean shower. It looks like good water pressure. It's nice. There we go.
Okay. Nice and clean. It looks like a good size. You can easily stand up in there.
Yes. Oh, that's something that tall people have to think about. Us short people don't think about that. And then there's a toilet here. There's the throne right there. And some nice little decor there. And then we have the barrel, which is also the sink, so that's a very nice touch. It really has some nice touches in here. Some decor and extra towels and washcloths. So this is a huge bathroom considering how big the place is at Chico's Hideaway. And then here's the couch here, very comfy. If need be, it looks like somebody could even sleep on this. Is it a pull-out couch? Ah, it's a pull-out couch. There you go. So if you wanted to have more people, they could sleep there. So we're in a place, we're here when it's about 70 degrees, so we don't know if we're going to need the AC or the heat. But if you need either of them, there's a remote attached right here on the side, and you just press it and it will turn on either way. It might take a couple minutes for it to turn on. It might take about 2 minutes to turn on, so don't worry if it doesn't turn on right away. If need be, you can contact the owner, Trent, and he can help you out with that. The other thing too is, check this out. Look at that. That's where the rockers are. You have this huge wall of a sliding glass door. This is the biggest sliding glass door I've ever seen, leading to this front space. This is amazing. It's just amazing. Can't wait. And it's like an open field here. Of course, I'm picturing horses running back and forth, but that's me. You can edit that out if you want. Okay, so here we have our kitchen, and there's a microwave and a freezer and a good sized refrigerator. They also have some s'mores kits down here you can purchase, but we brought our own stuff. We went to Aldi's ahead of time and got this stuff. So whatever works for you. Then there's a sink here. There's a Keurig.
With lots of good stuff. So that way, if you need a caffeine fix, well, you can get your caffeine fix in the morning.
They also have some paper products, if need be. There's the Keurig for you. And the cool thing is they have a screen, a TV screen, and a place if you wanted to play a DVD. It's a possibility your Wi-Fi might be spotty. So just, you might want to write things out ahead of time if you're going to places and stuff.
Although I was able to get online not too long ago.
That's right, you were. So
yes.
For my preparation, I just assumed that I couldn't get online. So if I did, I was happy.
Mm-hmm.
So we were prepared. There's also some Western art here. Anyway, it's like a nice vaulted ceiling, and it feels very fresh and open in here.
Mm-hmm.
It's very clean,
Wood floors.
very homey, wood floors. Chico's Hideaway is a little bit separated from the other cabins on the property. Tomorrow we're going to be at the Big Nick, which is apparently the biggest cabin on the property, so you'll have to watch for that one too as well. But this is adorable. I absolutely love it. So let's go downstairs and let me show you the really cool swinging tree.
Somebody left their shoe here.
A big old shoe. Actually, it's a swing, not a swinging tree. This is such a cool feature right here. I love this. This was the first thing I noticed when we drove up. Look at that. Oh my God. This is the best.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. I don't think I'm ever gonna leave. So let me show you the fire pit. So here's our fire pit. It holds 4 people. You can purchase wood from them. We decided to go get some of those Duraflame logs on our own, but whatever you feel most comfortable doing. So we're going to use this for s'mores later tonight.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! That's right.
Yay!
Yay! All right, we're gonna we're gonna cook some marshmallows.
Yep, we got our raging bonfire here.
Here we are. So proud of our raging bonfire. Okay, here we go. So here's one marshmallow.
Marshmallow?
Sure. Here's one.
You're seeing what marshmallow?
Marshmallow. There we go.
There we go.
All right,
Okay.
here we go.
Let's see how this works out.
Oh, it's on fire. This is our dessert after a yummy dummy din din. Oh, it's on fire.
Oh, yep. Blow on it. A little harder. There we go.
That one's cooked.
I don't think you're supposed to set them on fire, honey.
Well, I like things well done.
That's on fire.
He's on fire. He didn't start the fire. There we go. Alright.
I think yours are well done here.
Mine are done. Here, you see that?
Yep.
Okay, graham cracker time. I don't eat chocolate, so actually not. Oh!
Nope,
Almost being
almost fell
overboard. Come here, you. There we go. There we go.
There we go.
And then we're gonna make my sandwich.
Yay.
Yum. There we go. Squish. Sandwiches just like Mom used to make. Mmm.
Good?
Yeah, yummy.
Yay. Awesome.
I love campfire stuff.
Fun.
It is fun.
Yay.
Yay.
Woohoo.
Woohoo.
So I impaled my marshmallows. And let's see here. Okay, I'll set one on fire.
There you go.
Or try to.
It's really not that hard to do.
There we go.
There we go. There it is.
There we go.
There we go.
Extra crispy. Get the other one going.
Carbon puts hair in your chest. Well, not like I want.
There we go. Straight fire gets the whole part of it. Yay!
Yay! Good job.
So here we go.
What about your chocolate?
Oh, I'll get that one next.
Okay.
Here we go. So, Stay Puft Marshmallow guy. Yum. Very, very good. Look forward to trying it with chocolate. Yum.
Yummies.
Okay, so we just had a great night's sleep here at Chico's Hideaway at Cheery Treesort here in North Carolina. The temperature outside went down in the 40s overnight, but we had a heater going at 70, and it's a very non-invasive heater. I mean, you don't really hear it clicking on too often, yet it kept the whole interior of the treehouse very, very cozy, 70 degrees, so it was very nice. And the mattress was nice and firm, so got a very good night's sleep. The shower also produces nice warm water. The water pressure could be a little better, but that's a minor quibble. Yesterday we went to an alpaca ranch called Good Karma Ranch, and today we are going to go kayaking, and we're going to go to Tiger World, and tomorrow we're going to go horseback riding. And later on tonight we're going to check into another treehouse called Big Nick here at Cheery Treesort. So we hope that you'll go ahead and follow us on those adventures when we publish those videos. And always remember, life is sweet for the bold, so follow us on Adventures with Dan and Tracie. Woohoo!
Woohoo! Here's our fire on Easter 2021, April 4th, and we're staying at Chico's Hideaway. And that's our, I can't really see it, but anyway. It is about 8:30 at night, and we just made s'mores. We're happy campers.